Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how to make this yummy looking vegetable and chicken sauce, okay? But before we get started, here are all the ingredients we'll be using. They are basically combination of chicken, some vegetables, some seasonings, herbs, and some sauces. I will list them all in the description box, okay? So let's get started. First, you want to preheat your pan and add some oil. I'll be using sesame seed oil and some canola oil. You want to add in your garlic, onions, and some ginger and saute that, okay? Allow the onions to release its flavors into the oil. Now you want to go ahead and add in your chicken. So guys, my chicken has already been seasoned with some seasoning cube, some salt and some black pepper, and that is because I usually pre-cut my chicken, season them before putting in the fridge for easy access, okay? Now I went ahead to add in my garlic powder and some onions powder, and I'm giving everything a good mix, okay? While seasoning your meat for this sauce, you want to keep your seasonings as simple as possible, okay? Now in another pan, while the meat is cooking, I went ahead to add in some oil and added my onions and the rest of my vegetables. I have green bell pepper, carrots, and some red bell pepper in there, and I added some black pepper and some salt to season the vegetable and give it its own taste. Now mix everything well. We're not cooking that too much. Now this is the cornstarch we'll be using as a thickener. I went ahead to add some water to dissolve it properly well. And back into our chicken. The chicken is done and I went ahead to pop in my vegetable. I added my habanero pepper and I'm going to be adding this cup is cup is Okay, guys, I always find pronouncing that seasoning so funny, but okay, that is a cup a soup and that is a chicken flavor. Okay, now I added that in. I also added our cornstarch and then I added in our sauces. I'm using some soy sauce and some oyster flavored sauce. Okay, now mix everything nicely well. If you don't like the consistency you're getting, you can add your chicken broth at this point. I didn't show while I was adding it. Filming can be difficult sometimes. Mix everything well, taste and adjust seasonings if needed, and if not needed, serve your sauce and enjoy, okay? Remember, you don't have to cook this too much because you don't want the vegetables to overcook, okay? This is what we have. You can enjoy this sauce with some white rice. You can even eat the sauce just like that. So if you're a yam lover, you can use this to eat yam or whatever you wish to eat it with, okay? Now let's have a taste. Goodness, guys, this was so good. My tester confirmed it as well. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy watching this recipe. If you do, give it a thumbs up and hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys. I love you.